Hello everyone, welcome to the CarFACE prototype demo. So we have developed a simple web interface. This is also a responsive web design, so you can use it on a mobile browser as well. So we are now looking at the Chrome browser. So basically we have just created an interface to upload a file and then or upload a car image and check whether the system or the model is able to predict that there is a damage and what is the extent of the damage, and give a result for the claim process. So I'm already signed in, so I'm just going in, uploading a file. So probably I'll check from downloads. Okay, I'm submitting this file. Okay, so yeah, so this is our result. So the claim has been processed and the service center will be notified to start work. So you could see it took hardly a few seconds, maybe 2 seconds, to process the image and process a single image and give us the result. And this is the result of our image that we gave. So one or more headlights requires to be replaced and a bumper requires a repair. So it is able to identify that the bumper is damaged and there might be a headlight which needs to be replaced. So based on the scoring that the system generates, we have written our custom validation rules and ratings to identify what parts and what is the extent of the damage, and give a suggestion whether some part needs to be replaced or repaired. Now we will look at another scenario. So I'm gonna check for some file like this. I've just downloaded a few images. So this is another car model of a car. It's a Baleno. So here it says, sorry, we are unable to automate your claims. It will be assigned to a surveyor and he will get in touch with you. So this is a scenario where the system is able to predict, but the accuracy of the prediction is not good enough. So we don't take the risk here by automating the claim process, but passing on the details of what was predicted or analyzed to a surveyor for him to take a decision. So in this case, this is the image that was uploaded. As you can see, there's a lot of damage here, and our system is able to predict the bumper needs to be replaced, bonnet needs to be replaced because of the extent of this damage here, but it is not able to identify or predict the extent of damage to the headlights. As you can also see, the headlights are almost intact. There's not much, but there could be a damage on the headlights. So the prediction is below the accuracy threshold which we have set. So it is not able to predict the headlight. So because of this one category which is below our threshold, the entire claim has to be assigned to a surveyor. But it is still, let's say, around 70% is a success here, where we have automated. Only 30% where the assessor needs to check whether the headlight needs to be replaced here. So we've got 70% at least covered here, assuming everything else is correct. So another scenario we'll look at is, let's say, for example, there's a total loss, where our system is also able to detect some total loss scenarios. So this few folders, bumpers damaged. Okay. So we have an image for a total loss here somewhere. So this one is a total loss image. Let's upload this. Yeah. So you can see, as the vehicle is, it's a complete damage. It's a total loss. There's no, it's beyond repair. So the system is able to identify that this is a total loss. Your vehicle has been identified as total loss. Vehicle will be scrapped, and we are initiating claim payout for 75% of your IDV. So this is a custom message based on the accuracy we have got. And Yeah, so the message we are showing is parts are beyond repair. So if all the parts are, at a total loss beyond a certain threshold, we aggregate the results and we generate this result. So this is, in short of how our, model works. So we could see that these are, it's actually a possibility that you could use this kind of a model to, expedite your claim process, which can, reduce the average handling time of a claim approval from anywhere between 3 days to as much as 3 minutes. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.